Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for watching this video. Now, I'm very happy to announce that we're finally opening up the AMPed marketing program for auto shops, auto glass, dealerships, and tow truck companies. Now, look, it took us almost 7 months to get this program going. We have complete automations. We have more services, more tools that anybody can offer you for the price that we're offering it. Honestly, people are calling me crazy for offering so many services, right? We're completely going to dominate the market. And right now, spots are very limited. We're only taking about 10 new, we call them agency partners, clients per month. It's very selective. You have to qualify to get into this program. But I'm happy we're finally getting this thing going. Now, look, there are no retainers, right? Or there are no long-term contracts. It's month by month, which means this is very performance-based, right? We want to drive more results to your business, which means more leads, more forms being filled out, more calls, more sales, higher car counts, right? More diagnostics, right? More sales for dealerships, and that's the whole point. And if we're not getting that done, then we're not doing our job, right? But rest assured, I'm pretty sure we're going to do a good job and you're going to love us. Like I said, we're trying to build an unstoppable lead generating machine, right? And at the same time, we're going to be helping you rank on Google's first page. So this is your tool chest, right? This is your toolbox, right? And SEO is a tool, advertising is a tool, your website's a tool. And what we're going to do is we're stitching it all up together and making it work together. So you don't have to just get SEO from this guy and then get advertising from that guy and get tracking and analytics from this person and email marketing here and review management here. So there's a lack of communication. These people don't want to talk to each other, right? They don't like each other. They're trying to take your money. So what we're doing is we put it all together. We're giving out about $5,300 a month away in services, right? That's what a normal company would charge you, right? That's the premium. It's about $7,000 a month, $6,000 a month. So basically, you're getting this at a fraction of the price. Now, before we even get started, I actually I urge you to go ahead and fill out this information. My ultimate auto shop internet marketing guide. This does work for dealerships, auto glass, and tow truck companies as well. As soon as you fill this out, you're going to get a thank you and welcome email with a link to the guide. I spent about a month working on it earlier this year. I think you'll enjoy it. Now, again, stop spending money on expensive retainers. Explore our program today. So we're going to get right to it. Again, other agencies are going to charge you at minimum $3,000 to $5,000 a month. We're giving it to you at a fraction of the price. Now, look, everybody has to get qualified, and not everyone needs everything. So as well, you can offer you everything on a year. We're gonna diagnostic, right? We're gonna run a report on your current marketing efforts, and we're gonna show you what we think you need. Now, if you want other things, we're more than happy to give it to you, but we kind of know what we're doing. So we're gonna give you as much as you need to get you the desired results, right? Now, this comes out of my pocket. For advertising, you're getting Google Click Fraud Protection. I pay that a month, right? Out of my pocket, you're getting Google Click Fraud Protection. That can help you increase your ROI by up to 50%, your advertising ROI by up to 50%, which is incredible. We're gonna be getting you call tracking software. We're going to monitor every single call, make sure that you're getting good leads, right? And we also have a performance pay-per-call program where you only pay per call, qualified calls, and qualified leads. So there's something else that you might want to take a look at, but you do have to spend a decent amount of money in advertising to be qualified into that program. So if you're an independent shop or an independent business owner, and you're starting out with marketing, this is really the program for you. We're going to be offering you a custom ad dashboard. Basically, this thing tracks your analytics for your ads, your conversions. It's really cool. Yeah, it took us a minute to get this thing going. We're going to be building your Google and Facebook ad campaigns, which really goes into your lead generation, building your funnels, building your landing pages, your lead generation forms. We're going to be offering you a total SEO campaign, right? You're going to get a custom SEO dashboard. This is what it's costing us per month, right? We're not charging you anything, right? That's coming out of my pocket. We're going to be tracking up to 1,000 keywords. We're going to be tracking your analytics, right? Your clicks, your top 5 competitors, and your conversions, and a couple other things that we're going to be adding to the dashboard. So you're going to see in real time the results of your campaign. We're going to be doing your local SEO, which includes your on-page, off-page, technical, keyword tracking. You're going to be targeting up to 3 locations. You see these X's, right? Other people are going to charge you $5,000 a month, $5,000 a month, and you're only getting 1, 2, 3, 4 things, right? On average, this is what we're seeing, right? Advanced weekly reporting, competitor analysis and tracking. We're going to help you update and build more of your website, right? We're going to redesign it if needed. We're going to build up to 30 service location pages to target more cities. We're going to install a live chat. Now, live chats, right, has been one of my biggest hacks. They can increase conversions by up to 300 to 400%, right? Lead gen. You're going to be getting more leads through your website. So you're going to get a little app on your phone. Every time someone fills out or initiates a live chat, you're going to get that on your phone, and you're going to see who's talking to you, and then from there we can reply to them and get that sale. You're going to be doing conversion rate optimization, Google My Business optimization, one-on-one consulting up to 2 times a month, review management, which is really cool. Review management is really cool because now there's 2 things here. There's an online scheduling tool that we're going to be offering you as well that I didn't actually include it in here. So when people schedule an appointment with you, they're going to get either an email or they're going to get a text, right? So that's email marketing, that's text messaging marketing as well, optional. But we do have that. Basically, it's going to remind your customer of the appointment. It's going to tell them, hey, you have an appointment scheduled at this time. Be sure to make it there. Once you service this customer or run in diagnostics or whatever, they're going to get another email or text, and it's going to ask them to either A, fill out a review and fill out a survey and leave a review on Google or Facebook, or B, go straight to filling out just a review on Facebook or Google, right? And this is how we maximize those reviews. Now, it's very difficult to do this actually, but we automate the process for scale. So it's a very exciting time to do internet marketing. If you want more information, guys, feel free to go to autoshopmarketing.io/autoshopmarketing. We have a lot of cool information here. You can get your own personalized SEO and marketing report, right? You get a whole bunch of goodies, and it's a custom report made just for your business. Now, before I wrap this video up, I know it's 8 minutes long already. I went ahead and did a bulk analysis of 15 keywords, and this pertains both to SEO and advertising. Now, we use a lot of tools to look at data, right? We don't do anything without data. Basically, what we want to look at is the volume of people searching for keywords relevant to your industry, how difficult it is for us to rank those keywords on Google, and how much they cost to advertise for them. Because this is an advertising program, right? You have to spend money on ads to get better results. So now you don't have to spend money on ads, and if you choose to for amped, we can take off advertising. Let's say you just want to make it a standard SEO and website and review management program. We can do that for you, but we urge you to spend money on Google Ads. Google Ads are very effective. And if you see here, look at auto repair. It's $4.63 a click. Even if you go down here, look at this Austin dealership. Naturally, that gets 1,300 searches a month on Google, and the cost per click is $1.74. Houston Auto Glass, 1,300 searches a month on Google. 33% keyword difficulty. We can rank this very easily. So we can not only get you on that first page, maybe even number one for Houston Auto Glass. You're going to be pulling in about half of these 1.3 thousand searches. But if you advertise, it's only $2.81. Austin Cars for Sale, $1.25, $1.21 per click. Dallas Auto Repair, that gets about 390 searches a month. 28% keyword difficulty, super easy. We can rank this quickly. And $3 a click, right? Super cheap is what I'm trying to get at. Transmission repair on nationally, that gets 33,000 searches a month. 36% keyword difficulty and $4.50 a click. Super cheap, right? I would say about every maybe 2 to 4 clicks could become a solid sale, right? Solid lead. Sometimes it could cost a little bit more, but if you're running high value services like transmission repair or cars, right, or certain mechanic services. Now for auto glass, I know it's pretty standard price all around, so you're kind of stuck with this. But if you're running high ticket services, you can make a huge ROI with advertising. Let's say you're spending $20 to $30 to acquire a transmission client, right? Let's say even if you spend $100 to acquire one transmission repair client or engine repair client, that's a huge ROI. Let's say you spend $100 to $200 to acquire one auto sale client, huge return on your investment. Now that's where the opportunity lies. When I was looking at this data a year ago, that's when I realized I gotta build this program, because we already knew this is gonna bring huge results for you, right? Big results. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Positive comments only. This is a positive environment. If you have any other questions or you want to directly speak with me, feel free to either call my phone. You can find it here on AutoShopMarketing.io, or you can send me an email or fill out any of our forms here to get our reports and free ebooks. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching the video. Again, got any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Bye.